Assalamu alaikum guys, this video will talk about new two methods added to Laravel 11.20, and as we can see here I opened my composer.json and I changed it to 11.20, then I run composer update before the video, right, and it's fine. After that, let's talk about these two methods. I will show it quickly inside PHP Artisan Tinker. And for example, if you have a nested array data, we have, as we can see, array with arrays here. And if you want to flatten it, right, we were using data flatten to display values directly like this, right? But if you want to flatten it with key, we can say collapse with keys, right? And then it comes with its keys also, right? What if we add another nested here? Or extra, for example, 1, 2, 3, and if I try to rerun it again, the keys will be collapsed and returns to index also. The second method to deduplicate characters. For example, if a user send a message in a form like this, hello, right, and a lot of spaces and anything, a lot of spaces and anything here. And if we want to deduplicate spaces, we can say str here, deduplicate, and message here. By default, the second parameter is spaces, and as we can see, it removes the duplications of spaces. If you want to specify a character, for example, I want to, let's fix it, message, and I will AA like this and AA again. And as we can see, I want to get rid of A letters duplications. We can say second parameter is A for message like this, and now it works correctly also. Only A here, only A here, and as we can see. So here's quickly about these two methods. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you next video.